Hello everyone. So this is how we ship our products in our factory. You can see this car behind me. We take the product from that place and we take and put it inside this cargo to ship into your warehouse. These are the products we just made into our factory. They just come from the fourth floor and we are arranging them here. After this, this car is going to take the product into this. So after the production, this is our method how we can ship this product to your warehouse where you can get this shipped to in your country very easily.